Introducing the Bosch Series 4 8kg Heat Pump Tumble Dryer, designed with cutting-edge technology to care for your clothes while prioritizing energy efficiency. With active air technology, heat is reused throughout the drying cycle, ensuring your fabrics are dried gently and efficiently. This innovative feature not only conserves energy, but also extends the life of your garments. Our sensitive drying system ensures a gentle drying process by circulating mild, warm air from all sides of the drum. Combined with soft carriers, this system prevents creasing, leaving your clothes looking fresh and smooth every time. The auto-dry system takes precision to the next level by measuring and detecting moisture and temperature levels. This advanced feature prevents garment shrinkage, uneven drying, and overheating, providing consistent and gentle drying for all types of fabrics. For added convenience, the anti-vibration sidewalls provide greater stability and significantly reduce vibration. Enhanced insulation makes the machine extremely quiet, even during the spin cycle, allowing you to complete your chores without disrupting the household. Experience the perfect combination of technology, efficiency, and care with the Bosch Series 4 8kg Heat Pump Tumble Dryer, designed to meet all your laundry needs.